What are you cleaning?
UB, little tutorial on crappies. Right up here about a 45, you cut her down like this, right to the fin. Stick her in there, you put your hand like this. You go around like this, and then you go next to the bone. And you stick her like that. You pull her back like this. Okay, then you flip her on the side. And you go like this, right on the bone. I stand it up like this because it's easier to get down. Right down those ribs, like that. Boom, boom, boom. Flip it over. One side done. Hit the other side. You get a 45. Go down to the fin. Cut back. You stick it in like this. Right against the bone. Boom, boom, boom. Like that. Pick it up right there. Come back here to the tail. You go to that up opening. You cut her out like this. You flip her up like this. I like to stand it up. You get a nice little thing. You go right next to the ribs right here. Boom, boom, boom like that. And then I cut her like this, the tail off. And I just give her a, I just fillet that baby like this. She comes right off like that. And then what I do is I feel for the bones right here. Oh, you can feel them right there. You hit there. This is UB's way to do this. Cut that like that. Done deal.
Give me a thumbs.
Other side, same way.